So may I start now? Is that my screen is
Yes,
visible now?
please.
Yes, Rahi, you can start now.
Okay. So hello everyone, and I would like to welcome you all again on the pre-bell with TraderSmithIndia.com. TraderSmith. So actually, this is a disclaimer from our side. So this content in this presentation should not be considered as recommendation to buy or sell securities. All information is intended for education purpose only, and in no way it should be considered investment advice. So I will be talking about the news and that has happened. So RBI may up inflation forecast in next MPC meeting. Rates hike on cards according to Money Control. Bond yields drop as RBI seen reversing COVID period rate cuts. 10 years benchmark at 7.21% according to Business Standard. Morgan Stanley may cut India's FY23 growth forecast to 7.6%. India's largest cement firm has joined the race to acquire the Holicom stake in Ambuja Cement and its subsidiary ACC. Oil price rose more than 5% on Wednesday after flow of Russian gas to European fell. Then passenger vehicle dispatches dips 4% in April as supply challenges remains. So now I will be talking about the results that has the company has released. So first I would like to talk about Punjab National Bank PNB. So the net profit dropped by 66% YOY to rupees 201 CR in January to March quarter, and total income was down marginally at 21,095 crores from 21,386 crores. Then Petronet, the company reported a 20% jump in quarter 4 FY 2022 and net profit at 750 CR when compared with 623 CR in quarter 4 2021. So total income surged by 47.5% to 11,445 crore from 7,625 crores during the same period. Then the Coforce, the total income grew by 38.2% YOY to rupees 1,766.1 CR from 1,278 CR. So the results to be announced is RBL Bank, Siemens, Tata Motors, and GSPL. Now I'll be talking about world market. So this is the world market that has closed yesterday. Like US market, Nasdaq, Dow, and S&P, they have closed minus 3.8%, negative 1.02% Dow negative, and S&P minus 1.65% negative. But the European market has closed on positive note yesterday. DAX has closed positive note by 2.17%, FTSE 1.44%, and CSE by 2.5% positive. Yesterday, Indian market has closed on negative by 0.45%. Asian market has closed on negative note. That is, Kospi has closed negative note 0.34%, Nikkei 1.06% negative, Shanghai Composite it was flat, and Hang Seng 1.64%. Now we'll look at the option data. So how it suggests. So Nifty 50 PCR standby is 0.49%, and maximum call open interest was seen at 17,000, which amounts to 1.8 lakh, and 16,400. Next one is which was amount to 1.41, and maximum put option was build up was for 15,500 that, and it was amount to 1.33 lakh. Then next was 16,000, which is amount to 1.04 lakh. Same goes with Nifty Bank, where PCR stand by 0.65%, and maximum call open interest was built up around 36,000, which is amount to 98.83 thousands, and 35,000, and then the next one is 35,000, and the amount was built to 93.9 thousand. Then maximum put option was 34,000, and amount was 80.95 thousand. And then next was 34,500, which amounts to 80.61 thousand. So now I would be talking about Nifty Index. So Nifty, yeah. So this is the daily chart of Nifty, and we have seen that last four trading session has been profit booking, and we have seen the much more selling pressure in the Indian market. Yeah, yesterday trading sessions, after hitting the low at 15,900, we have seen some bounce back, and an index has closed around 16,176, which was like 173 point recovery from the lower level. So we can see some bounce back from here, and index may move upside if same short covering is continued into today's trading session also, and index may move towards 16,300 to 16,400. But in the lower side, if the steady low is breached, then we can see further selling pressure from here. So it is not overall, then the index chart is not looking so attractive, so I don't think we should take aggressive call on this. Now I'll be talking about Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank almost four trading session after which has started from the 4th May. We have seen four trading session back to back. It has closed on the negative note after the gap up opening. And but last two trading session has been interesting, and it has closed on positive note. Yesterday also we have seen bounce back from the lower level, and index has closed on the upper side on the day low, we can say. So we can see some profit, we can see some bounce back from here. But if this bounce back does not continue, and if selling pressure starts again, then the support is placed around here, the low of 9th May, that is 33,900. So 33,900 may act as a support, and once that support is breached, then some more negativity and selling pressure we can see in the banking space as well. So this is all from my side, and
Rahi,
yeah,
I would like to discuss 2 3 points.
yeah,
First
please.
is from news side. So whatever news is available across the board is showing negativity from macro side, actually interest rate, inflation, and everything. And that is why most people are expecting that interest rate, the RBI may increase interest rate in next cycle, that is due in June. First thing. So that is negative. Another thing is that this earning. So earning PNB number is not good, but as GSPL number is looking good actually. And at the same time, while looking at the chart on daily chart, so it's also indicates that some bounce back cannot be denied from here, especially in GSPL. So I'm expecting 8 to 10% kind of upside move in GSPL. At the same time, currently yesterday it was closed around 264. So I'm expecting maybe if it will hold about that, so maybe expecting I'm at 285 to 90 kind of level in 1 or 2 days, or maybe today, or maybe tomorrow, by tomorrow. And stop loss for that is 250 in GSPL. And another is Nifty. Rahi has already discussed. So while we were discussing, there is a PCR is around 50.5%. So and nearest maximum open interest is around 16,400. And technical chart also suggests that bounce back cannot be denied up to 16,400 to 16,450. So that is due on chart, especially for today or by tomorrow, like max by tomorrow point of view. Obviously, if we do a lot of analysis and everything, so look, it is not looking attractive. But at the same time, bounce back cannot be denied. So bounce back may happen today's trading session or either tomorrow trading session. So expect level of 16,400 to 450. That's it. And likewise in Bank Nifty also expect range bound trend in the range of upside 34,900 to 35,000, in downside below 34,000 may turn more negative, but expect bounce back in Bank Nifty as well up to 34,900 to 35,000. That's it from our side in this session. Thanks for joining this session.